I found an AI agent tool that automatically scans Reddit to find all the best threads to get you leads for your business. So, why Reddit, you might ask me? Well, I mean, if you think about it and you think about the deal that Google made with Reddit, and now Reddit is coming at the top of every single search results page, well, that's why we as marketers are trying to get into Reddit so that we're at the top of Google. There are two websites that are ranking in the top of Google for absolutely everything in the last year. Number one is Reddit. You'll see that if you haven't seen that, I don't know where you've been living. You're pretty smart. You can see that literally everything you Google, I just Googled something there, and yet number two, well, it's ad, and then Reddit. Okay, that's just the way it goes. The second one is YouTube. That's why I make tons of YouTube videos, because I get my videos and they also get published to a great audience on YouTube, but they also get shown at the top of Google. So I just put this query into Google, very typical query, where to buy train tickets in Google, in Spain, sorry. So we have the AI overview right here, and then we have sponsored, and then where you actually buy the tickets, and then Reddit is here. So that's kind of the typical way it is. It's not really suitable for a video. I'd say nobody's made a video. I often see if people like have if there are 3 or 4 videos on the topic, then they'll show a video here. Okay, so what can we do about it? Well, we're not going to publish a blog post about this person has here, but they're way down, right? And this is actually not too bad. Let's see this website. Okay, it's an ancient website. That is insane. I haven't seen a website that old before. But yeah, I mean, it's just that they're not going to get your website. Your website will never appear in here. So what do we need to do? We need to either make a video on the topic or use Reddit. And okay, if we have AI agents that can go out and find the right Reddit threads for us to post our answers, and actually post our answers for us, well, then that is much better than starting a website and doing that, which is going to fail anyway. So before I show you the tool of how I'm doing this, I'll just show you some results that I got. So I just posted this comment here in this thread here that I got from the tool, right? And you can see this was only 16 days ago, and we've had 3,000 views already. And I can see people coming through to my website, and they're actually, typing into Google my product here that I mentioned. Don't put a link in the Reddit thread, because otherwise you're going to get banned. Just mention your product, and then you can see every day. So it's a little bit, but I'm only really starting at this strategy. So every day we have people coming from Google that are Googling in my brand name, which is really important for SEO, that Google sees that your brand is around the web and people are looking for it. Okay, so this is the tool. It's called Syndr. I'll leave this in the description and the first comment. There will be an affiliate link, so I'll earn a commission if you do sign up and pay. But anyway, there's a first try 7-day free trial if you want to try it out first. So let's have a look at the tool. Okay, so when you start with the tool, you need to watch this video. That's what you need to do, so you can see exactly the groups, right? So this actually works with Facebook as well, Facebook groups and Reddit threads. So what you need to do is basically create a new campaign, then just fill in your information about your company and click next. Okay, then we just click next. Okay, I am an online business. So here it's going to create a campaign. It's going to set up the AI agents to go out and find good groups for you and threads, right? It's also linked to your account, so it'll do that as well. Okay, so you just choose what you want, Facebook groups or Reddit. So once you set this up, you're going to get all your leads coming in here. You also get them emailed to you every day. So one thing I was doing was just going through the different leads. So these are the different leads. You get links to the post, right? So these are from Reddit. So this will just go like, okay, straight to a Reddit thread where I can join the conversation here of my Reddit account. Okay, that one doesn't look too good. So you actually get why this post is relevant and the title, right? So this one looks good. Online conversational English. That could be interesting. Or this one, looking for an English partner, right? So this could be good. So this is someone from Egypt who wants to practice English. So it's like, okay, I could just say, have you thought about practicing with AI? Maybe, and then send them to my product. So I am trying to find as many AI agents that can go out and do the work for me. I think this is a really smart way to get agents that go and do my marketing work for me as best as I can. Take some of the steps away so I can get the most work done in the most time. I work on my business alone. If you're short of time, this could be a very good way to save time. You can find the link down in the first comment down below. Thanks for watching. My name's Connor Martin. See you soon.